Hey there, it's Bronwen, and today I'm going to show you how I make homemade French bread. This is a really simple recipe. You'll need a mixer with a dough hook, 3 cups of hot water, 3 teaspoons of sea salt, 4 teaspoons of yeast, 1 egg, 8 cups of unbleached white flour, and 2 bread pans. One thing I hear a lot is, aren't we supposed to stay away from bread because what about gluten, and what about, white flour turns into sugar and that kind of thing? And my answer to that is all things in moderation. Just stay away from preservatives, high fructose corn syrup, extra sugars. You don't want to live on sugar. You also don't want to live on bread. But I slimmed down I eat bread just about every day. Here we're just going to add all of our ingredients and mix them up. And this usually takes between 5 and 10 minutes depending on how long it takes for the dough to come together the way I want it to. Now we're just going to take this off, cover it up, let it rise for 1 hour. While it's rising, you can butter your pans, or you can do it right before you're ready to use it. I like butter because I like the flavor of butter, and I stay away from hydrogenated and partially hydrogenated oils. Now we divide it in half equally, and I like to shape my dough this way because I don't like to add extra flour, and I don't like to take too much of the air out of it because I like it fluffy. Let it rise 30 minutes, pop it in the oven for 40, and here you have it. Beautiful homemade bread.